Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be preparing oven roast chicken thighs. It's a quick and easy recipe to make and simply delish. When I say delish, I mean delish, as in delicious. Trust me, guys. So I've actually washed the chicken thighs and trimmed off the excess fat. And I'm going to start off by using a juice of 1 lemon to season the chicken. I've got the herbs and spices that I'll be using, and I'm going to put the ingredients and the measurement in the description box. So I'm thoroughly mixing the lemon juice, rubbing it into the chicken. And I'm mixing all the herbs and the spices. I've got the garlic and ginger powder. I've got dried smoked paprika. I've got the chilli powder, oregano, mixed dry herbs. I've got the chicken stock powder as well. And I've got salt, so it's half teaspoon of salt because the chicken stock powder have some salt in it as well. So I've mixed this together and I'm going to thoroughly rub it into the chicken and make sure that every single piece of chicken receives the seasoning. This is very important. So I'm spraying some a little amount of olive oil. This will help all the seasoning to stick to the chicken, and it will help with the marinating process as well. And I'm placing this in the food bag. Normally I will marinate this overnight, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to marinate this chicken for a minimum of 1 hour. So I'm sealing up everything in the bag, and I'm going to set this aside. There's no need to put this in the fridge. Just set it aside at room temperature to marinate for a minimum of 1 hour. I've marinated the chicken for about an hour and a half, and I'm just tossing this together just to loosen up the ingredients that is sitting on the side of the bag. Make sure everything is on the chicken. And I'll be roasting this in an oven rack. I don't want the chicken to sit in the oil, so I'm putting it on top of an oven rack. I've preheated the oven to 180 degrees. And I'll be roasting this for 25 minutes in the first instance. So this is going into the oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I'm flipping this on the other side. So the chicken is coming on very well. So I'll turn it on the other side and then put it back into the oven to roast for another 15 minutes. So on the whole, I'm roasting this chicken for 40 minutes. You can see the steam and the aroma is just indescribable. I just feel like eating it right now. So after another 15 minutes, the chicken is all ready. It's very important that we don't overcook the chicken. If not, it's going to be too dry and hard to chew. So the chicken should be crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. So it's all ready and it's looking so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and plate the chicken now. I've garnished it with curled spring onions, and guys, I don't need to tell you what is happening here. As you can see, I don't need to tell you, but I do hope you have enjoyed watching this video. And do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get videos whenever I post them. So till I see you again, bye.